Hello student, in this video you are going to know about the apple scab disease, the paper of horticulture. The apple scab is caused by the fungus Venturaria inequalis. Is still one of the most serious and economically important disease of susceptible species and cultivars of Malus genus that is exist worldwide, and it was first reported in Sweden in 1890 and first reported on Ambri variety in Kashmir Valley in 1935. The United States, it is especially severe the northern, eastern and north central states where cool, a moist spring and summer weather favor for the causal of this fungal organism. It is significantly defoliation for the 2 to 3 years and causes generally weakening or losses of vigor that could result in increase the winter injury and susceptibility to secondary disease and insects. And also disease losses the attributable to apple scab. If the scab is controlled measures are not taken, the reproduction in amount and quality of marketable apples harvest, poor fruit but development for the next year. These are the defect if the apple scab disease called that is if not controlled that we can get. And also reproduction in crab apple, aesthetic appeal and wildlife value caused by premature defoliation and fruit drop. What are the symptoms? In spring, the symbiotic spots, that is lesion, are most noticeable on leaves and fruit. However, the symptom of infection is called appear on petiole, pedicels, apple blossoms, bud scale, young twig or shoot, and the lower surface of leaf. In spring, the first spot lesions usually located on lower surface of the expanding leaf. On upper surface of the leaves, the lesions progress to olive green, and to brown colorization and velvety textures. As a fungal growth stops, the lesions margins changes from feathery, indistinct to distinct. On the fruit side, the fruit infected late in session, a small black spots of pinpoint scab noticeable after harvest in apple storage. This is the black spot. And circular necrotic olive green in brown color warty lesions with distinct margin on fruit infected early in development. This is the stages in early fruit development stage. On the pedicel, just after the petal falls, small dark green lesions on pedicel before, during and after bloom. This is the symptom, small dark green color. Then what is the disease cycle? The Venturaria inequalis is ascomyces sac fungus producing both sexual and asexual spores. Ascospore are the sexual spore that is initiate on primary cycle of the apple scab disease annually. Inequalis is named unequal sized brown footprint shaped two-celled spores, that is unequally in size and is produce brown shaped spores. The conidia are asexual spore that initiate one or more secondary cycles of the apple scab disease annually. The cycle name is Spliceocacia pomi. The Ventsuria ineocolis belongs to the group of pathogenic fungus known as hemipterops. Is a parasitic space in spent a mycelium and spores, living tissue penetrating only the cuticle and staying between the cuticle and epidermal cells. A sporophytic space overwinter and also pseudothecia, initial penetrating dead leaf tissues of fallen debris. Dissemination, the movement of fungal pathogen is passive. A moisture must be present to introduce expulsion of ascospore from pseudothecia. The ascospore disseminated by splashing rain and wind. The sphere spore mature at green tip with maturity progressing slowly until tight cluster. The discharge usually peaks between stages being through the bloom, and nearly all the discharged within 2 to 4 weeks after the petal fall. The conidia is disseminated by rain, washed or splashed, and or even wind. Inoculation. The primary ascospore forcibly released by asci into the air when the mature pseudothecia become thoroughly wet during spring rain and discharged over 5 to 9 weeks period, starting at the bud break and peaking from the pink to petal fall stages. And then secondary mycelium conidia arise from primary and secondary lesions when the humidity level at least 60 to 70%. They discharge over growing season throughout the remainder of growing season. This is the life cycle of apple scab disease and management. That this is how we can manage well. Clean cultivation, some resistant varieties like Emira, Redfree, Amstacking, Ambriol, Ambridge and Ambred. And also we can by spraying Capton 0.2% or Todine 0.25% at short interval after the petal fall. Single application of difloton at 0.3% at green bud stage, followed by Capton at 0.02% at petal fall. Spray schedule first spray the silver tip stage, the stage 0.2% of Captofol or 0.3% of Capton. Second spray pink bud at the stage 0.2% Capton or 0.3 nanocups. And third spray, fourth spray, sixth spray, the fruit set 0.5% 50% of Captofol. Thank you.